We have all the usual suspects here. Here are my messages. Here's my email. And my playlist on Spotify. Pretty much everything that I already do on my phone.
Exactly. I find it especially useful folded when I'm on the go. Hey, Josh, can we show them how to navigate with Google Maps?
Sure, I can easily pull up Google Maps. But here's where things get really cool. I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
Yeah. That's amazing. That is amazing. As you can see, the same map that Josh was just looking at on the front display is already inside, waiting for him. Everything's just like he left it. That is the power of app continuity. And now he can see so much more, the street names, the restaurants, all in greater detail. Okay, so how about we check out another app on the big screen? How about Netflix?
Sure, I'm a huge fan of Netflix. I usually watch it on my tablet, but now I can watch it right on the Fold.
Wow, that is a gorgeous display. So I see what you mean. The Fold is perfect for watching videos, reading your favorite books, or taking a video call.
And you can do all three at once.
Oh, well, we have to see that. So let's say Josh wants to watch YouTube and chat with his friend on WhatsApp at the same time. And you never know when he might need to Google something. There you have it. That is 3-app multitasking in action. On the left, the YouTube video is playing. On the right, he's messaging a friend, and if he needs to browse the web, it's right there in the third window. And if he wants to browse in the bigger window, he can do that too. All he has to do is just drag the browser over to the larger display. It's so simple. It's simple and seamless. And the screen is